We'll guide you through how to make a circle or circular webcam in OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So by default, perhaps you've gone and tried to go and add in your webcam, and you're just finding you can go and get it looking rectangular or potentially even square if you go and crop it. But you want to go and make it look circular. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. I think it's a cool look and it can be unique because most people's are just rectangular or square. So for example, if we come into sources and press the plus at the bottom here, and then we go and press on video capture device, we go and press OK. You can then go and choose your webcam here, and here it is. I can then go and press OK, and there it is. If you go and hold Alt, you can go and crop it, as you can see, into a square, but we want to go and make this circular. So come into your sources and you want to go and select it and press delete. Now what you need to do is actually need to come into scenes. Now what you need to do is go and press the plus at the bottom for add scene, and we're going to go and name this webcam or camera and press OK. Now you want to come into sources and press the plus at the bottom, and you want to go and press on video capture device and press OK. Now you need to go and choose your webcam. As you can see, there it is. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go and press OK. You just want to make sure it fits. So you can right click on it. You want to then go and hover over transform, and you can go and press fit to screen like so. Now what you need to do is there's going to go and be an image in the description which you need. If I go and open up my files here, it looks like this. As you can see, it's a black background with a white circle. This is going to allow us to go and make this circular webcam. So what you want to do is just go and download it. And then what you need to do is come into OBS. You need to come into your sources and go and find the video capture device, your webcam, and right click on it. And you need to go and press filters, come into effect filters, and at the bottom here, you can go and press the plus. You want to go and find image mask / blend, press OK. Now you want to go and find path and press browse to the right, and you want to go and select it, and you want to go and press open. As you can see, we've now got the circular webcam here. You can go and see that it already had the right color selected to go and detect it. And for the type, it's just alpha mask. Now you can go and press close, and there it is. But you're thinking, well, I want this over a game, over my screen, or over in a different OBS scene. Well, to do this, you can then switch to the scene. Then at the bottom of sources, press the plus, and you can go and press scene. And then you need to go and select the scene you want to add, which is the webcam scene we made, which is the circular webcam. Press OK, and there it is. So I'll just go and position myself, and there we go. You can click, hold, and drag, and you can put it where you want to.